Welcome back to the channel, everybody. It is giveaway time. This is what everybody's here for. So let's get right into it. And I just want you to know that I really appreciate everybody that supports this channel. And good luck to everybody. First off, I'm going to read down the names of who's entered into this giveaway. And let's get right to it. Okay, we have the channel BBQ Jones, Otto the Watchdog, Willow's Whimsy, Poor Guy Outdoor Cooking, Corey's ASMR, Beginners Barbecue Outdoors, Annette 1466, YouTube Auditor, Four Seasons Barbecue, Scotty's Backyard Barbecue, Gorilla Joe's Barbecue, The Real Sovereign Citizens, Dave Collier Camping, Pull My Pork Barbecue, Joe Cool, Phoenix, and Chappie's Tiki Bar. I just want to say good luck to everybody, and let's get right into the prize drawing. Okay, as you can see on the screen, I have a wheel. I will announce what prize we're going for, and then I will spin the wheel, and if it lands on your name, you will win that prize. Everybody has 1 week to email me at milehighguybarbecue@gmail.com if you are a winner. Okay, the first prize we're going to spin for is the adjustable rub shaker. This is very handy. It will accept different grades of rubs from fine, medium to coarse. Okay, let's spin the wheel, and good luck, everyone. All right, congratulations, Pull My Pork Barbecue. You have won the adjustable rub shaker. Okay, for the next prize we're going to give away, it is the BBQ Mop with 4 extra mops to go along with this. All right, let's spin the wheel. Good luck, everybody. Annette 1466, you just won the BBQ Mops. Congratulations. Okay, the next prize we're going to go for is the Kingsford Charcoal Chimney. Good luck, everyone. And Chappie's Tiki Bar, you have won the Kingsford Charcoal Chimney. Okay, the next prize we're going to spin for is a pair of those hot gloves that you see me using all the time. So let's get to spinning. Good luck, everyone. Gorilla Joe's Barbecue, congratulations, you just won a pair of the hot gloves. Okay, the next prize we're going to go for is the cast iron meat press. Let's give it a spin. Good luck, everyone. Otto the Watchdog, congratulations. You just won the cast iron meat press. Okay, the next prize we're going to spin for is a pair of regular seasoned shakers. You can put salt, pepper, garlic in it, mix it all together, and you got a salt, pepper, garlic shaker, or you can just do salt, pepper, or put whatever seasonings you want in them. But you're going to get a pair of them. All right, let's spin the wheel. Phoenix, you have just won the pair of shakers. Congratulations. Okay, the next prize we're going to spin for is the smoker tube. Now this would be perfect for people that don't have a smoker. You can use this on an actual kettle grill, or you could use it on a gas grill. A very handy tool to have. All right, let's spin the wheel and get the winner. Congratulations, Poor Guy Outdoor Cooking. You have just won the smoker tube. I hope you enjoy. Okay, now for the next prize, we are going to spin for the instant read thermometer. I love this thermometer, and whoever wins this, you're going to love it too. All right, let's spin the wheel. Scotty's Backyard Barbecue, congratulations, you just won that instant read thermometer. Okay, now the next prize we're going to spin for is the 50 pack of tumbleweeds. Let's get to spinning the wheel. Corey's ASMR, you have won the 50 pack of tumbleweeds. Enjoy. Okay, now for the last prize, we have a 4-pound bag of mesquite chunks. Good luck to everyone that's left. Let's spin the wheel. Willow's Whimsy, you have won the 4-pound bag of mesquite chunks. All right, everybody. Sorry to those who didn't win. I will be doing more giveaways in the future. And if you were one of the winners, please email me at milehighguybarbecue@gmail.com. You have till next Sunday to email me. And if you don't email me by then, I will save the names of the people that did not win, and I will re-spin the wheel, not do a video on it. I'll just do it here at home, and I will contact those people that win those forfeited prizes. But thank you, everybody. I really appreciate you supporting my channel, watching my videos, and I have a lot of great subscribers. There are a lot of great channels out there. You can find them down on my home screen. Check them out. They're very well worth watching. Congratulations again to everybody that won, and I will catch you on the next one. Take care, everybody.